incredible 4-bedroom, 3.2-bath French country home on private 2-acre wooded lot within the desirable neighborhood Signature of Sharon, Highland Schools. Top-of-the-line quality throughout. Open floor plan, high ceilings, and tons of natural sunlight. The chef's kitchen is the center of the home. Large island with seating. High-end appliances, including double ovens and warming drawer. The kitchen is completely open to the great room and the cozy hearth room, both with fireplaces. A butler's pantry connects the formal dining room and kitchen. Impressive library office with fireplace. First floor owner's suite with 2 custom walk-in closets and spa-like master bath. Front and back staircases lead to the second floor. Second floor features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths. An additional 1,500 plus sq ft in the finished lower level. Rec room with full bar kitchenette, refrigerator, wine refrigerators, sink, dishwasher, microwave, media room, and 1/2 bath. Extensive outdoor living space featuring covered porch, patio with outdoor fireplace, and professional landscaping and lighting. Oversized 3-car heated garage. Great location.